If you're dealing with burning, tingling, numbness, stabbing pain, or that pins and needles feeling that won't quit, you're not alone. And no, you're not imagining it. Your nerves are asking for support loudly. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you a simple factual neuropathy support plan, what commonly drives these symptoms, and what supports your body's repair pathways. No hype, no miracle claims, just practical steps that can help many people reduce irritation and improve nerve resilience over time. Neuropathy can start for a lot of reasons: blood sugar issues, injuries, alcohol exposure, certain medications, infections, autoimmune stress, nutrient deficiencies, especially B vitamins, and chronic inflammation. But here's the common denominator: your nerves are irritated, inflamed, or struggling to send clean signals. So no matter what started it, the plan is the same: calm the irritation, support the nerve covering, and rebuild stability. Think of nerves like electrical wiring. They rely on a protective coating, often called a myelin layer, to transmit signals smoothly. When that system gets stressed by inflammation, oxidative stress, or unstable blood sugar, signals misfire, and that can show up as burning, tingling, numbness, or sudden sharp zaps. If you felt pain, itching, numbness, tingling, burning, stabbing sensations, weakness, cramps, or twitching, those are nerve signals misfiring, or nerves trying to recover under stress. The neuropathy recovery stack. This helps calm inflammation and oxidative stress, two major drivers of nerve irritation. Tip: take it with food, and ideally with black pepper or a fat source for better absorption. B vitamins support nerve signaling and repair. Low B12 in particular can mimic classic neuropathy symptoms. Simple move: consider a quality B complex, and if symptoms are persistent, ask a clinician about checking B12 and related markers. Omega-3s support cell membranes and help cool inflammatory signaling. Sources: fatty fish, fish oil, chia, flax, walnuts. ALA is often discussed for metabolic or blood sugar-related neuropathy support because it helps manage oxidative stress. Magnesium supports relaxation, may reduce cramping or twitching, and helps sleep, where repair chemistry ramps up. If blood sugar swings are part of your story, a short daily walk after meals is one of the most underrated nerve support habits on earth. Start simple. Don't start everything at once. Pick 2 supports, stay consistent for a few weeks, and track symptoms weekly. Small changes compound. Take care of yourself today. You can improve this.